Want to update or check your PHP version in Hostinger? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the Websites section and open the websites list. Choose the website you want to work on and click on the Dashboard button next to it. Inside the dashboard, scroll down a little and click on the Advanced option in the left-hand menu. This will open up additional settings. From here, select PHP configuration. On the PHP configuration page, you'll be able to see the current PHP version being used. Hostinger offers multiple PHP versions, ranging from 7.3 and 7.4 up to 8.3. You can also switch to the PHP Options tab to see various PHP settings, where you can enable or disable specific options as per your needs. And that's how simple it is to check or update your PHP version in Hostinger. And if you need to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.